You need to hear this if you're an Android user struggling with Chrome not loading pages. We've got simple fixes for you. First off, check your internet connection. Restart your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Make sure your data plan is active and test other apps. Next, clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Tap the three dots, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Choose All Time, select Cookies and other site data, and cached images and files, then hit Clear Data. Update Chrome by heading to the Google Play Store, searching for Chrome, and installing any available updates. Try closing unused tabs and background apps to free up resources. Restart your device to refresh your system. For a quick test, try using incognito mode. If it works, extensions or cached data might be the problem. Check for Android system updates and disable extensions one by one if the issue continues. Still stuck? Consider reinstalling Chrome or reaching out to Google support or your device manufacturer. That's it. With these steps, your Chrome should be running smoothly again.